the little turtle?
She's the cute one, that one.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, the Mississippi Map. She's nice. Her name is Simba.
Look at that. You've got the big fishies as well. No.
How long is he? Probably about 4 and a bit feet.
Hey, look at that.
Put him next to me. I'm 5'2", so 5'4" if I'm not wrong.
A fish, Maya. We're going to have some more food now.
Yes, that's the first time she's eaten in 6 weeks ago. She goes like weeks and weeks without eating, which obviously is eating something, but she's not eating what I want her to eat. Oh, good girl. Chuffed with that. And on a Saturday too.
They're not for you to feed.
That's right, we've got the one I wanted, so I'm trying for weeks to feed that fish.
They're hungry, that's right. They're having some food, aren't
Oh,
they?
but some of them will eat like a lot in one go, and then they won't eat for weeks and weeks and weeks. And like, I haven't even seen that fish.
Hard to keep track, I guess, is it?
Yeah, the turtles are fine. I mean, when I go swimming in her, I can see her sat at the back, but she hasn't come over for weeks. But that's the first time and she had a big part, so good for her.
Fish, Maya.
There is. Should we chuck a fish head in and see who is nuts?
What? Wow. Yeah, the head of a fish.
I know. He's not very happy about it, but
See big ones? Look at this big sucky mouth.